This quick honest review is for Moistened cleaning wipes for Fujitsu scanners. Let me show you. I spent quite some time trying to find a product to clean the Fujitsu scanner that I have. It's a feed scanner that after a lot of use gets a lot of gunge and everything building up on the rollers and on the area where it's where the scan gets read. Searched around trying to find cleaning wipes that specifically for it, and eventually came across these ones on Amazon. So it looks, just to sort of show you here. So they're made in Japan, and they work really well. So you just sort of open it up and pull out one of the moistened pads. It's not overly moistened, so it's not like dripping wet, like like a lot of other sort of cleaning wipes and things are. This is not dripping wet, but it is definitely still moistened, and you use this because it's a very delicate area over the scanner, the glass area that's reading the scan, and you literally just use this to wipe it clean. It makes a huge difference. So as you can see, it's not a huge size or anything, but it's perfect for the scanner. It's a perfect size, and literally works so well. I was very impressed with how well these work. Price point, they're not cheap. Obviously, they're imported from Japan. On Amazon, they're around about $25. I didn't see any subscribe and save, but if you have a look, maybe there might be some there. And looks like there are a few sellers as well, so you might get a little bit of some other price discounts there. But overall, big thumbs up for this product. Cleans the scanner really, really well, and makes a noticeable difference. So definitely a thumbs up for this product. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.